80 animals.
Horse.
Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you. Are you having a good time studying animals? Great! Today, we're going to learn about horses. Take a look at the picture. This is a horse. We can ride on its back. Now, let's learn some words using pictures.
Strength. Your strength is being physically strong. If your strength is high, you can lift heavy things. In the picture, the man is strong. He has a lot of strength. Barn. The cow and the goat are in a barn. A barn is a building on a farm. Farmers keep some animals in a barn. Hay. This is hay. It is dried grass. We give hay to animals to eat. Cows, goats, horses, and sheep eat hay.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Strength. Barn. Hay.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
What is the fastest animal on a farm? Yes, a horse is the fastest. A horse has long, strong legs, so it can run very fast. People use its strength and speed. They use it to pull things like a cart. They ride on its back and move fast on it. Farmers raise horses in a barn. Horses eat hay and sleep in the barn. What is true about a horse's legs? They are short. They are strong. What can a horse do? Make a barn. Pull a cart. What is true about a horse? Farmers raise it in their house. It is the fastest animal on a farm.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.